Hello guys, welcome to Python course. So in this video we will discuss about tuples. So tuple is also a built-in type. First of all, I will create one file, Python module, and the file name is tuples test. Select empty, no templates required. So first of all, we will see what is tuples and why we are using tuples. So simply I will create one variable t, and it is having a lots of values like integer, two integers are there, and one string. String is Rohan and 4.5, and I want to know the type of this variable. It is having more than one value, so let's print the type. Just run the program, Python run. Okay, so type is tuple. So tuple is basically a sequence of different type of objects. It can be number, string, list, or tuple also. So like list, tuple is also a built-in type, but it is immutable. What is the meaning of immutable? We can't change the tuples after assigning the value. I will let you know after some time. First of all, we will see how we can create tuples and how we can iterate the value to the tuples. So I will create one blank tuple. So we can create like that, blank tuples equals tuple, and I am going to print blank tuple. Just run it. So you can see the output is only a small bracket. In the last lecture we saw list having a square bracket. So this is the difference if you want to identify, and the main difference I will let you know. This is a one way, and the other way is if I will assign small brackets only. So this is also blank tuple. So like that we can create the tuple, and how we can give the value to tuple. So one type is, I will let you know one example. You have num. Num is a variable which is having tuple type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So inside a small bracket separated by comma, that is considered one element of tuple. Second element of tuple, separated by comma, third elements of tuple. So like that we can create tuples. If I want to access, so I will let you know how we can access or how index will be assigned to tuple. So you are having tuple is, so this is your tuple inside a small bracket. It is also a ordered collection. Ordered collection means it is having an order of index. So 1 will be at 0 index, 1 index, second index, and third index. Same like list, we can iterate it using negative indexing also. So we will iterate it the last element by -1, second last -2, -3, -4. So this one is positive indexing and this one is negative indexing. So let's have a look. So we can access any element using index. So like list or string, we have to give inside a square bracket. Suppose you want to access one index, or at the index of 1 what is the element? Element is 2. So if you want to access using negative indices, then also you can access like -1. So -1 will be the last element of tuple 5. If I will type here instead of -1, like we have here 5 elements, so -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6. So this will not give you a syntax error, it will return index error, tuple index out of range. So like list or string, we can iterate it using index. So before using tuples, you have to consider one statement. So statement is, please don't use tuple as variable name. What happen if I will use tuple as a variable name? Tuple equals, like I am having row 1, second element is tuple, and I want to print tuple. Will it work? Let's see. Yes, it will work, but please avoid to use tuple as a variable name. So you can see here warning. So warning is assignment to reserved building symbol. So this is reserved building symbol. So please don't use tuple as a variable name. So now I will let you know how we can use tuples or how we can create tuples.